Okay, speaking on teamwork, I have learned some very critical lessons regarding teamwork. In the article, it talks about the fact that a formal relationship is automatically extended and received as soon as an individual takes the place on the team. My experience on my current team is that has not been the case. I have really had to prove myself, but that is because the culture I'm in includes a lot of team members who have been there for 15, 20 years. They have worked for the State Department that long. They understand the State Department inside and out. So I feel that the first few months I was there, I really had to kind of prove myself. And then I was pretty much, included in the team. There's definitely an interdependence between the work that I do and the work that the other teams do. So we are heavily dependent upon each other. When I write a document, I have to run it by a developer to clarify the information, to clarify that I've documented it correctly, and then the test team will take my materials and use them for their testing. So there is definitely that interdependence. I will say one thing that I've learned about teamwork, unfortunately, as a technical writer and now as a systems analyst, is that a lot of times I will do the work, for example, a presentation or an outline for an important demo, and then somebody else on the team may give that presentation and therefore kind of take the credit for it in a sense. So that has been something that's been tough to grapple with, and I have spoken out about it actually, because as a systems analyst, part of my role is to give demos and give presentations, and I still have gotten pushback from the lead of the development team to allow his developers to give those demos because they created the code so they can answer questions about it. I don't agree with that, but that is one of the frustrations I've bumped up against as a member of the team, is that a lot of times, basically I might do the work and somebody else might take the credit. So those are lessons I've learned.